Hello everyone. Today we are making a healthy Zobo drink. Yeah, you heard me right. We are making a no-nonsense Zobo drink. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So before you start, you need a very clean bowl of water, and that is what I poured my Zobo leaves into. So you are going to leave your Zobo leaf in the water for less than a minute, just to get rid of all the dust on it. And after that, you are going to strain your Zobo leaf just the way you see me do, so you don't pack sand with your Zobo. And once you are done doing that, that is my Zobo in the leaf. And remember, we are making a healthy Zobo, so we are not going to be using sugar. It's going to be sugar free. So here we have some watermelon, oranges, pineapple, and pineapple skin. In my other bowl, I have some black pepper seeds, ginger and garlic, and I have a cinnamon stick. So I'm going to add everything to my pot. You see, I just added in my Zobo leaf, I added in my pineapple skin, I added in some oranges and my watermelon, and lastly my list of spices, which includes cloves, ginger and garlic. Oh sorry, I didn't use garlic, just ginger, clove, cinnamon stick, and I just added everything together with black pepper as well. Mixed it thoroughly just like I did, and then I'm going to go ahead and add in about a liter or 2 liters of water to it. That is enough to cook it, because I want this to be very thick and at the same time to be healthy. So once I added the water, the next thing I'm going to do is to cover it and bring it into a cook. Yes guys, I'm going to make sure it cooks thoroughly. So now that the water is enough, the next thing I'm going to do is to stir it together, cover it, and then ignite my gas cooker so as to bring it into a boil. So guys, now that our Zobo is completely cooked, look at it already. It's colorful and it is looking really good. So now the next thing I'm going to do is to strain my Zobo drink. Firstly, I'm supposed to just pour everything into my what is it called, muslin cloth or cheese cloth, but because it is still super hot and I wanted to add in my flavor, so that's why I moved out all the ceramic that I use in making it, and I left just the Zobo drink and a little shot in it. Then I added in my pineapple flavor, and that's the only sugar that I'm going to be using, no any other sugar. So I'm going to cover this and for at least about 3 hours for it to get cold. Once it gets cold, then I strain it, and here is what I have. So I'm going to be filling this into my jar, and I'm going to also put some into my popsicle mold. I was actually supposed to show the part when the popsicle mold is frozen, but guess what, we couldn't wait. We already leaked it before I could even remember that, oh, we are supposed to capture the removal of the Zobo from the popsicle. But it's all well and good. Our Zobo tastes really good, and without any lie, you can see that the Zobo is actually very thick. And guys, we just made ourselves a Christmas Zobo, so let's enjoy it together. This Zobo doesn't have any sugar, any direct sugar in it, and it tastes really good. Now I filled up my jar and it is chilled, so I just decided to bring it out, and here is when I'm adding some to my popsicle mold. If you have watched this video to this moment, thank you so much for watching it, and it only means that you enjoyed this video. Kindly subscribe to this channel if you have not done so, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by again. I love you guys so much. Guys, don't forget to check out my other videos as well. I have quite a number of videos. Even my live stream videos are wonderful videos that might catch your attention, so do well to check it out. And until next time guys, see you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.